Welcome to another video. This is going to be my catfish makeup routine. If you don't know what a catfish is, basically it's just a person that gets on the internet and does not fucking look the way they look in real life on the internet. It's like just the basic definition of a catfish, but catfish makeup will be, I just will not fucking look like this, okay? Like I'll look very, very different. Like I'll have like that plastic surgery face, winter time, so you know it's all about the matte look. I don't fucking know. I'm just going to be going through the steps and telling y'all what I do to make myself look like a fucking catfish, okay? Because every time I go to the club or whatever, every time I go outside, bitch, I know I'm a catfish, like for sure. So yeah, especially when it be dark, when it's like dark outside or whatever, or in the club in general or whatever, like people will think that you look way better than you actually look. Sometimes, like, you know, what's it called, my makeup just be so cakey, I be looking like a crunch bar, I'm not even gonna lie. And that's just because, you know, there's just certain things in my routine that I need to perfect. But yeah, whatever. We're just gonna start with the eyes. Usually I like to leave this to dry a little bit because I like the concealer to be a little pasty to blend it out. But just like a simple smoky eye, big ass lashes, and you know we're gonna put like some, you know, blue accents, bitch, because y'all already know I'm a whore for blue. I put this on because this is like an example of something I would wear out. Very, very basic, but I don't like have clothes, so this is what you're gonna fucking get. Blend this concealer all over your lid, and your concealer, your lid should at least be 2 to 3 shades lighter. This concealer isn't as light as I would like it because I mean it oxidizes, so you know, whatever. This is very much like a summer concealer shade. Like I got really fucking dark in the summer because I was just at the beach, blah blah blah. And so this concealer was actually perfect. When I first got it, I thought it was too light, and now that I'm lightening up slightly, it is just starting to look funny. After I conceal my eyes, usually people will go straight in with the eyeshadow. I do not do that. Get a finishing powder and then grab your brush and just boom 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 boom. And then just set your eyelid because, I mean, what's it called? It kind of saves time, I think. Also, oh my god, y'all, speaking of saving time, like I'm trying to do this video before I go to work. What's it called? I have work at 5 p.m. Yes, oh my god, I work at FedEx now. It's pretty, I haven't like actually done anything yet. Like I'm a package handler and I still haven't handled any packages yet. Let me stop, okay. But like, I'm kind of excited about it. I don't know, I mean, I'm excited because it's like a real good company and there's like hella good benefits. Like, I don't know, like I've just never worked for somewhere that had like benefits this good. So the palette that we're gonna use for the smoky eye, we're gonna with this brown shade right here and then this like kind of like pale white, we're gonna mix the two and that will be our transition for the eye. Kind of like in your crease, but you could really just like blend it all over the eye. I wanna fuck her, she wanna fuck me, ponte sucia ma ponte nati. Going in a little more with that lighter brown, but yeah, I'm using warmer colors because I have like an orange undertone. Like I don't know how to describe it. Like, if you have a cool undertone, then you should use cool colors, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So that's like the beautiful part about makeup. You can be like, no bitch, I don't want to do that shit. It's like looking ugly already, so I'm gonna get like warmer colors from the ColourPop Sonic Bloom palette. Bro, all of my palettes are so old. Like this came out in like 2021 or 2022 or some shit. Like I have not been keeping up. Yeah, as you go, just start building up the depth. Like you're not gonna add any black or dark brown yet. Like I did not say that yet, so don't even think about it. Just keep on like keeping on. Go slightly darker. We're gonna grab this brown, just apply that in the crease as well. You gotta blend that shit a lot to make sure the colors are evenly distributed. And then if you have palettes as old as mine, then the formula and the color payoff is gonna be absolute ass. If you're in the same boat as me, then yeah, we're gonna be blending here for a good minute. What the f— I was wondering what that sound was. I was like, is that my camera? Almost looks a little purple. It's called matte matte wax from the Morphe Big Primpin' palette. Go ahead and place that on the lid like so, but do not— girl, that is not dark enough. It's okay though, we're just building it, okay. But do not place it anywhere above, like just keep it low, like almost like don't even like just pretend you're doing eyeliner right now, okay? Toquecitos, toquecitos, toquecitos. And it's not gonna look perfect, obviously. It kind of just looks like a blob right there, but you want that. Now we're gonna go in with a darker brown. We're gonna go in with this brown right here from the Juvia's Place palette. The Juvia's Place Warrior palette is what it's called. I'm just placing that on the exact same area that I did with that lighter brown or that lighter purple. Blend this out with like a fluffy brush, a fluffy blending brush. As you can see, it's kind of like weird, but I'm going like side to side. I'm almost like winging it up. Just taking all that color. I'm keeping it low, low, low. Like do not go above, because then that's like where you get the black eye. So yeah, basically just try to soften up those colors that you've already placed right there. I don't know why, but it kind of look, it's like, yes, give us nothing. Like it looks like nothing, low-key. Favorite part, the black. You know how they be like, how white people say like black people? I don't know, like how the way they say it, they be like black people. I don't know, but we're gonna use the Morphe Disney palette. And I'm just blending that along the lash line only. And you're gonna wanna grab the brush that you use your browns for. Blend and flick that upwards slightly. So we're gonna go ahead on the waterline with this black eyeliner and just, with that black eyeshadow, we're basically just gonna set that. There we go, that's pretty much the eye. So I never touch my lashes until after my face. So we're gonna fit well. Do our inner corners with some Juvia's Place eyeshadow. We're gonna just put like, you could put any type of white or any type of shimmery color. You can obviously see that this right here is fucking pan, bro. This is my favorite eyeshadow out of my entire old eyeshadow fucking collection. Just to open that up a little bit. And then above that, girl, I'm too ahead of myself. I don't even actually know what I'm doing, but so that is the smoky eye. Oh my god, I've been wearing a smoky eye since I was like 13. Tell that nigga we go together. Y'all probably gonna see my messy ass bag. Bro, I be looking at my Instagram videos and I'm like, damn, everybody can see that. We're gonna start with the face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with the e.l.f. Poreless Body Primer. And we gonna get a lot of that shit. I don't care, bitch. Like, we getting a lot. This is actually my first time in a while using this primer without any other primer under it. Usually, I'll put like some type of sticky primer, like whether it be e.l.f. Power Grip or like the NYX glue primer, but this is like, I'm only using this right now, okay? Because I feel like this primer on its own really does achieve the matte look very well. The face is primed. Okay, we're just gonna, okay girl, let's stop. Okay. Just don't feel like it's ever enough, like ever, actually. Just pat that shit. Bro, I need to get that primer brush by e.l.f. or whatever. Like, I'm pretty sure they made that shit for a reason. Hello. Revolution IRL Filter Foundation. This is oil-free, everything. Oh my god, I love this foundation so much, and I don't use like oil-free or any type of matte foundation. Like after using this, it made me fall in love. Like I actually don't really use any dewy foundations, like the Fit Me dewy foundation, bro. After 30 minutes, that shit be slipping off my face. I do this every time I make a makeup video. I forget to color correct. Oh my god. First, we're gonna fucking color correct. Man, I miss the days where I didn't have to. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo color for sure. I was gonna say e.l.f. Halo. I went to bed last night, and I guess I went to bed with my music playing, and I was listening to, I wake up in the middle of the night. Well, I'm dreaming, right? I don't even remember exactly what I was dreaming about, but I'm hearing El Sillon by Alfredo Olivas, and I'm like, you know, in my dream, I'm like, hey. I'm like, yeah, bitch, period. But then, like, it started to feel a little just too real. I wake up and tell me why that shit was on full blast, bro. Like, if you don't know that song, go ahead and just listen to it. It's definitely a party song. Use the foundation finally. I put it on the hand first to get it to warm up. But before that, I like to set my color corrector, honestly. Like, I do. Like, I get, like, a light layer of powder. And I just, inevitable that the color corrector just starts slipping just because of the way my skin is. The reason why I put my foundation on my hand first and then apply it with my finger, I used to never do that because I was like, ew, dirty, but I stopped being a little pussy and actually started doing this because, what's it called? It just ensures for better coverage and like an easier seamless blend. I really shouldn't have put foundation under my eye. I don't really like to put a lot of foundation under my eyes just because you're already gonna put concealer there. And if you already have that fat ass layer of foundation and then that heavy ass concealer, blush, bronzer, all that fucking shit, just powder, everything, you really don't need foundation because you already caking hella product in that area anyways. In my opinion, you do not need foundation under your eyes. That was just to make it easier on myself because I already put on a hell of a lot of makeup to begin with. Go ahead and blend that, buffing and tapping motions. Why does my makeup apply so much easier when I don't put on vehement amounts of it? Like, I love that. It's my neck that I always get so worried about when doing my makeup. Oh my god, when I hug people and my makeup is on them, it actually makes me want to stab myself. I'm like, I'm so fucking sorry. Just so embarrassing. But I mean, I have like friends that be wearing makeup and their makeup has got on me before And I don't care. Like if you hug me and you got on a lot of makeup and it get on me, trust me, I do not care, because I probably just hugged you with the exact same amount, if not more, and probably made a way worse stain on you than you did on me. Because my makeup brown, girl. Your makeup not to be too like cake, or your foundation to be like too cakey or whatever, go ahead and go lightly over your face with a beauty blender. I usually go on the areas that I apply the foundation the heaviest, which is usually like my jawline, my neck. So yeah, just small taps, because it'll pick up what it needs to pick up. You know, I used to be like, and I'd be like, why is my makeup coming off? Like, bitch, you're peeling the shit off your fucking face. Don't do that. Damn, what time is it? I just be having so much anxiety about like if it's gonna be worst smile lines in the world. Like, it's actually so bad. I should have did this trick on camera to show y'all. I usually put eyeshadow primer under my foundation. Now I just started doing that because this girl on Instagram, damn, I should tag her. I should have like got her user, because that was a smart ass trick. But just for now, we're gonna set it like that with some powder. So I use the e.l.f. Camo Blush. I'm gonna just use this, it's in the shade Very Well. I usually do about 3 dots. I could do honestly a lot more, just because sometimes I'd be applying my concealer way too heavy. You can go a little bit under your eye, because that is now the thing, you know, the kind of pink under eye or whatever. So you can go ahead and honestly just blend that under there as well. I contour really weird, and just like my routine for this is really weird, so please bear with me. Like, it probably won't be, I'm not gonna like, it's not super exact. Go ahead and apply some bronzer under that. I don't like to put on a lot of bronzer, I'm not even gonna lie. Now we're gonna grab that Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and we're gonna grab a concealer brush, and we're gonna do our contouring process right down the bridge of your nose, okay? Girl, okay. Yes, it looks crazy. So we got that. Go ahead and place them right there, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I don't even know. I literally just blend it like upwards. Try not to place your bronzer too low either, because then you're gonna look like you have a beard like me. I'm a nigga, so I don't care, but if you a girl, you do not want to look like you got a beard. Unless you do. We're gonna take a little bit. Guys, I'm not really a huge fan of the nose. We're gonna take a little bit of the e.l.f. HD powder. Just slightly set under the eye before we bake. They wanna fuck with the nigga I had. Use the good old triangle sponge. We're gonna get a little bit of our powder. I use the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass powder. This has been my go-to for a couple months. Oh my God, y'all, It's too late now, bitch. All right, let's just go ahead and continue. I get a little bit of our setting powder. Tap it on your hand, so tap all the excess off, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Place that under the eye and where you contoured on your nose. And we're just gonna bake, so we're just gonna leave some of that powder there. We just carve that. I don't know. Why is she crying, bro? You're gonna leave that, okay? You're just gonna leave that. And I'm doing this for me just because I have to set this area anyway. I have to set it a lot. The lashes, I'm gonna show you guys the lashes that I got. I always get them from the beauty supply store. These are like faux mink lashes or whatever. I don't even know what faux or mink means, so I'm just assuming it's something good. Okay, I can never get these hoes open. Before we do the eyelashes, we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the bake, and I'm gonna show you the way I like to wipe off my bake. Sorry, I can't find. Okay, we're just gonna use this one. I don't know where my other powder is, but I usually get a foundation powder, like literally the same color as your skin. Go lightly with it. Probably a little too much, but just lightly with it. Just blend out the parts that are like really harshly white. Like you shouldn't really see much of a line. It should just be a seamless blend, so it just looks like your face is contoured. Just wipe that off, and that is how it should be. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm not gonna apply my lashes on camera because it takes me about 25 minutes to apply one. So give me 50 minutes and I will be back with my lashes done, and then we're gonna do the lips. Oh Lord. Okay, hold on. ugly. We're gonna do some powder blush as well, sorry guys. I'm using the Makeup Revolution 5D mascara. This is the best fucking drugstore mascara ever. Like, I don't care what anybody says. For powder blush, we're gonna use the Juvia's Place Volume 4. This is like one of the most popular blushes on the market. Well, this is one of the most popular summer blushes, at least. And we're just gonna apply that. Sweep a little bit on the nose as well. Just apply the lashes. Yo, I'm sorry, there's like, just go ahead and line your lips with some black liner, or like any liner that's like darker than your skin tone. Now we're gonna get we're gonna use the Revlon Color Stay Limitless Matte in shade Beauty Sleepy. Oh, Beauty Sleep. I was about to say, what the fuck is up with these brands and their stupid ass names? Just a little bit. And don't rub your lips together, literally, just like, and then if you have to, I always go like this. Just so it doesn't get like too, like doesn't look too pink. I should never give my email to any more scam websites. NYX Buttercream Soft Matte Lip in the shade Cairo. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not into it. Sparkly gloss. I love it. Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Time to Shine. We're just placing it right there. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want like a night out makeup inspo or whatever, just, you know, follow all the steps in this video. This tutorial is for dark skin baddies, so yeah, but also light skin baddies. I don't know, any type of baddie. This is the look I'm gonna show you guys in like different light, and usually come here so I can just fully see it from the front. I feel like this is like a more natural light instead of my mirror. Alright y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want any other type of makeup video, like any type of makeup look, inspo, like literally anything, comment down below and I'll see what I could do. Because I don't know everything, like, but I know enough, bitch. So, you know, if there's something that you want to know about, if I know about it, or if you want to know about it, comment down below. And if I know about it, I will make a video on it. And if not, shit, I'll learn and do it. Oops. Okay,